all personal items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartments, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone. We are arriving at Terminal F, Gate 20.